Hello, welcome to a very special episode of Frankly Speaking. It's a pleasure to welcome you back on the show. A little clumsy with all of this, but what an announcement. You've had all the troll armies actually surrendering to you, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So how does that feel? Because the GST reforms that were announced by you just 48 hours ago have given a sigh of relief to the middle classes and brought in a lot of festive cheer. How does it feel to become the darling of the troll armies?
Can I thank you, first of all, for giving me this opportunity, and I think it's this story needs to be told and retold and spoken about, not just in studios, not just in clubs where we sit or in friends' places. This story will have to be said in gully, mohalla, nukkad, anywhere, street corners. And we need to speak about it till such a time every Indian citizen understands that this is what has happened. And this is going to impact on his life. And this one tax, GST, impacts on 140 billion people's lives. There is no tax which does this kind of a cutting across sections and reaching to every citizen. Meaning, every citizen waking up in the morning has something or the other bought in the market which has an implication, GST implication. And therefore, taking a major overall revamp is a big exercise. It required so much of working hours, intense working hours. The bureaucracy was completely with me in every moment. Like when I would return saying I'm unhappy with this aspect of the proposal, redo it and come back. There was never a bitter moment or a grudge or an unhappiness. So they've worked together to deliver on a promise which Prime Minister Modi gave, and that is why the contours of the central government's proposal to the GST was defined. And it is going to impact positively every citizen's life, and therefore, Navika, for giving me this opportunity, I'm indeed very grateful. There have been very severe criticism, attack, sometimes well understood, and then, sometimes understanding the implication of prevailing GST and trolling, or some other times without understanding how the GST structure works, trolling. So I've taken it all in my stride. It's not that I'm projecting myself to be, oh, look, I've taken it. Well, at least over the decades, the kind of counseling, the kind of advice, the elders in the family, who have all helped me to, remain equanimous. You'll have difficult days, you can have good days. Both of them are similar. So
It doesn't matter.
Yes, I take lessons from that and work, but I don't also get too excited about good comments.